What the heck, and welcome to Kazakhstan. We have just arrived in Almaty, a beautiful city here in the country, and we have gone straight to a day trip to Jorden Canyon, which is apparently a really beautiful red rock canyon that you're gonna see. We're gonna explore. It should be a good time. And today's crew is with Luke. You might know Luke from his amazing photography. And of course, Mark's silly dumb face.
Big night last night, but we're ready for an adventure and I can't wait to get Jorden.
Straight to Almaty, and we went out last night with a bunch of Kazakh locals. They showed us a good time, but everyone's a little bit rusty on their vlog game. Before we explore this amazing canyon behind me, I do want to say we have been in Kazakhstan for about 3 days, and for the past 3 days we've actually been exploring Turkestan, which is the historical capital of the country. Now, if you're into really old buildings and amazing history, definitely go there because it is stunning. But now we're going to spend the next 2 days in the crazy nature here in Kazakhstan, only about 2 hours outside of Almaty, which is another capital city. So let's go check it out. I wish we could spend all day exploring this canyon. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm so out of breath, but we've got to keep going because we've got so much to see today. This country is just magnificent. Goodbye! Next up on our canyon adventure, we're out here at Luna Canyon, and it's about 25 minutes from the last one. Just as beautiful. And what makes this place even better is that we're having lunch here, and that is going to be amazing. Look at this lunch setup we've got going on. Okay, let me run you what we got for lunch. Natural juice, who doesn't love that? Chicken sandwiches, well, different sandwiches, yummy things, and then fruit and nut. And look at the view. Say it ain't so. Don't say anymore. What can I say? Kazakhstan. Put it on your list. This place is incredible. It gets better and better and better. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. This canyon is crazy. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just, Kazakhstan is just off the charts right now. It's safe to say these are some of the most beautiful canyons I've ever been in. Like, it's just ridiculous. And I really hope that the video shows how good it is, because in real life, it's unmatched. I gotta run because I'm late. I ran off the path and the cars are waiting for me, but I know the drone footage will speak for itself, but Kazakhstan. Mark's currently getting destroyed by a little Kazakh kid. He's absolutely dominating him. Get him, Mark. Get him. Let's go. Let's go. Don't be fooled by a kid. What is happening? Oh, the sportsmanship is... Oh, the good sportsmanship. Wow. Hey! Hey! It is currently the next day. The canyons were amazing, but now we've come to a national park about 30 minutes outside Almaty, which is the city we've been based in for the last few days. And the mountains here are insane. I can't wait to show you the lake, the mountains, the scenes. But yeah, it's gonna be a wild afternoon, and it's our last afternoon in Kazakhstan. So we're gonna make it a good one. And for the final reveal, we've made it down to Lake Almaty, and wow, this is stunning. Straight into these wires. Last clip of the day as well. Final clip of the day. I just hope my gimbal's not messed.
It's up there?
Yeah.
It's what?
Somewhere in here.
Hit that wire. Drop in there somewhere.
Can I try and start it?
No.
Like get the power?
You think you're warm?
It says that I'm on top of it.
Let's see the GPS.
A little more.
Let's see. Let's see it. Hold on. Oh yeah, we're not quite there.
No, we are. It should just be here. Like momentum, bang.
Oh, what's this? What's this? It's missing a propeller.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna be mess for sure, right? Gimbal check. Gimbal check.
Gimbal looks good.
Yeah, but it's on the side.
Gimbal also looks mangled.
Wait.
Seems okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Drone's okay, just missing a prop. We're good to go. Back in business.
Let's freaking go! My first drone crash after like 4 years. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's get out of here.
That's amazing. What an experience.
So funny how Jordan's excited about a drone crash. I thought he'd be bummed, but nope. Well, I guess it's sweet that everything's okay with the drone. Just a prop, so it's kind of good.
There's nothing like a drone crash to keep you on your toes. That was my first ever drone crash. I'm now officially in the drone crash Hall of Fame with the rest of people that do it. I don't know what I'm saying, but hopefully my drone's all right. If I'm gonna crash it, at least it's in a beautiful spot, right? Am I right? I don't know. Well, we gotta go. Drone crash, drone recovered. Unsure if it's broken or not, but probably not. Let's keep optimistic. We got very lucky with this beautiful landscape to end our trip in Kazakhstan. Unreal scenes. I'm so stoked that I got to experience Kazakhstan this week. It has been ridiculous.